Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve web hosting performance with HostGator step by step clearly. To improve web hosting performance with HostGator, begin by logging into your HostGator account. Navigate to the control panel once you're logged in. Ensure your server resources align with your website's traffic demands. Consider upgrading your hosting plan if you anticipate higher traffic volumes. Next, optimize your website's images to reduce load times. Use tools like TinyPNG or ImageOptim to compress image files. Install a caching plugin if you're using a platform like WordPress. Plugins like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache are excellent choices. Enable gzip compression from your control panel to reduce file sizes. This will improve loading speeds across all devices. Regularly update your website's software and plugins. Outdated software can slow down performance and pose security risks. Check for performance bottlenecks by using tools like Jeepmetrics or Google PageSpeed Insights. Analyze the report to identify areas for improvement. Consider implementing a content delivery network or CDN. A CDN helps distribute your content globally, reducing load times for international visitors. Limit the number of HTTP requests by minimizing scripts and CSS files. Combine CSS and JavaScript files where possible to streamline loading. Ensure that your website uses optimized themes and templates. Opt for clean, lightweight designs to enhance performance. Monitor your website regularly for downtime or slow response times. Utilize HostGator's tools to analyze uptime and performance metrics. Lastly, engage with HostGator's support for assistance if any issues arise. They can provide tailored solutions to enhance your web hosting performance effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.